So what is biohacking? It covers a broad range of subjects from sticking microchips into your brain and changing things in your daily routine. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of biohacking, so let's get right into it. Welcome to Triumph with Trent, and today I want to discuss what biohacking is. You can probably tell by the name bio and hacking that it has something to do with your biology and using technology. The term originated from people who realized that they could improve their everyday life by making small changes to their routine. Biohacking is all about optimizing and taking full control of your biology. Top names in the industry include Ben Greenfield and Dave Asprey, founder of Bulletproof Coffee. Biohacking is as simple as understanding your biological processes to improve your mood, immunity, fitness, and overall well-being. We have people on one side of the spectrum inserting microchips into the side of their brains to improve their cognitive functions. And then on the other side of the spectrum, we have men and women like you and me who are just changing their daily routines. That way they can optimize their sleep, diet, and overall well-being. You can achieve a state of bliss in your life by not falling victim to old age, mental and physical fatigue, brain fog, and also trouble with sleeping and sickness. Some biohackers are do-it-yourselfers who labor self-experimentation to see if a biohacking technique is viable. Other biohackers are professional scientists who employ cutting-edge equipment and research where others cannot. I want to first discuss easy-to-understand biohacks that you have the resources for, and then gradually get into some of the more extreme biohacks that are available out in the world. Simple biohacks that you can incorporate now include changing your circadian rhythm by getting sunlight in the morning and turning off those electronics at night. You can also optimize your diet by eating more healthy fats and indulging more in legumes and blueberries that have been associated with increasing your longevity. Another form of biohacking is turning that shower knob to cold to increase your circulation and boost your energy upon the day. You can also meditate or do some type of breath work to increase focus and overall awareness. It only takes a slight alteration in your habits to optimize your diet, your sleep, or your routine. An easily accessible technology is a health monitor. You can track your sleep, steps, and heart rate zone. Now I want to get into some of the nuances of biohacking and things you can do outside your external environment to optimize your mind and your body. The first thing I want to discuss is red light therapy. People have been using red lights in saunas, on mats, and even on just LED panels to relieve some of this inflammation, pain, and increase collagen production. After you're done getting blasted by red lights, you can try out cryotherapy, which is a form of cold therapy that many athletes have taken to in the past years to aid in recovery. It originated in 1978 in Japan, and in these tanks, they set the temperature to negative 250 degrees Fahrenheit with liquid nitrogen. You can achieve the same benefits of a 45-minute ice bath in only 2 minutes in a cryotherapy chamber. After you run out of your cryotherapy chamber, hop into a sensory deprivation tank. These isolation tanks have been known to enhance creativity, aid in muscle recovery, and improve memory and focus. I've been using a sensory deprivation tank for a couple of years now, and I can attest to some of these benefits. After having my sight and my hearing deprived and floating on that Epsom salt water, it's amazing feeling getting into that meditative state that's not accessible in your open environment. To help in this creative or recovery process, many biohackers are turning to nootropics. Nootropics are cognitive enhancers that you take in supplement forms or through your diet that increase your cognitive functions. These nootropics have been shown to increase your mood, energy, memory, and focus. I'm not going to go into all of the nootropics on this video, but I will tell you that I've been taking lion's mane for a few years now, and that supplement and many other medicinal mushrooms have been shown to improve your immunity and increase some of your cognitive skills. If you want to improve your cognitive abilities, one way to do it is through fitness, which is a big part of the biohacking culture. Aerobic exercise has proven to increase our brain-derived neurotrophic factor. A couple other fitness biohacks are strength training and resistance training. Strength training has shown to prevent muscle atrophy, and resistance training has shown a decrease in stress and anxiety while also boosting your metabolism. Not all biohackers have time to put into fitness every day, and one way they've gone around this is by coining the term the rebounder, a small trampoline that has been shown to increase your energy and stimulate your lymphatic system. Whether bouncing on a small trampoline or taking supplements to improve your cognitive abilities sounds crazy to you, there's many biohackers taking the absolute extremes to optimize their health and performance. Athletes and people who are suffering from extensive use of their joints have led the charge in injecting themselves with stem cells. These stem cells are rejuvenating some of those damaged and lost cells so their joints feel more young again. A handful of individuals have started self-experimenting by injecting themselves with technology to change their biology. They have done this by putting compasses on their chest, that way when they turn they can find true north. They've also done this by injecting Bluetooth headphones into their ears, that way they don't have to throw headphones on and can listen to audiobooks, music, and podcasts on the go. They've also automated opening car doors or home doors by injecting microchips into their arms. It's safe to say in the future more and more people will start injecting themselves with technology and become cyborgs. Elon Musk started a company last year called Neuralink that injects microchips into your brain to cure neurological diseases and also boost cognitive ability. I'll leave it up to you how you want to biohack your life. Leave me a comment on what types of biohacking videos would be of interest to you. Make sure to hit that like button if you liked the video and learned something, and commit to triumph by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.